Hey everyone, welcome back to if you're new here, and today we have something exciting to dive into. If you're a fan of motorcycles or simply love checking out the latest models and specs, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Now, let's jump right into it. The 2026 Kawasaki Z900 is one of those motorcycles that immediately grabs your attention. It's a machine that combines aggressive styling, outstanding performance, and cutting-edge technology. If you've been following Kawasaki's lineup for the past few years, you'll know that the Z900 is already a well-established favorite in the naked bike segment. But with the 2026 model, Kawasaki takes things to a whole new level. So, today we're going to break down everything you need to know about the 2026 Kawasaki Z900, from its design, engine, features, and riding experience, to how it compares to its competition. First up, we have to talk about the looks. The 2026 Z900 isn't a drastic departure from the previous models, but there are subtle yet impactful updates that enhance its overall visual appeal. Kawasaki has taken a minimalist approach with the design, but that doesn't mean it lacks boldness. The Z900 features a more aggressive front end with a sleek, sharper headlamp design that provides a menacing yet futuristic look. The LED headlights are now slimmer and more angular, giving the bike a more dynamic presence on the road. The overall bodywork follows the signature Z-Series design philosophy, with a strong muscular tank and well-placed cuts in the body panels that give the bike a more refined appearance. The combination of the blacked-out frame, new color schemes, and sporty graphics really elevate the Z900's aggressive stance. For 2026, Kawasaki offers a couple of fresh paint options, including matte finishes, which enhance the premium feel of the bike. The rear end of the Z900 continues to showcase that distinctive modern naked bike vibe with a slightly more compact tail section and a dual exhaust setup that's sleek and contributes to the bike's overall weight distribution. Overall, the 2026 Z900 retains its muscular aesthetic while incorporating just enough new elements to keep it fresh. Now let's talk about the heart of the 2026 Kawasaki Z900, the engine. Kawasaki has kept the same 948cc inline-4 engine from the previous models, but they've tweaked it to increase refinement and performance. This engine is known for delivering a smooth power band, exceptional throttle response, and an engaging ride. It produces around 125 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and around 73 lb-ft of torque at 8,000 RPM, which means that whether you're cruising at low speeds or opening the throttle wide on the highway, the Z900 is more than capable of delivering a thrilling ride. What's more impressive is how Kawasaki has fine-tuned the engine for better low and mid-range power, ensuring the Z900 is not just about top-end speed, but is also enjoyable for city riding and tight corners. The 6-speed gearbox is buttery smooth, offering precise shifts and excellent control over the power delivery. Whether you're in the mood for a more relaxed ride or you're ready to attack twisty roads, this engine provides all the flexibility you need. In terms of acceleration, the Z900 does not disappoint. From a standstill, the bike can easily hit 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. The power delivery is linear, with no sudden spikes or jerky movements, making it perfect for riders of varying skill levels. The bike's lightweight frame and low center of gravity also contribute to its quick throttle response and overall agility. The Z900 is built for precision and confidence on both city streets and twisty back roads. The handling characteristics of the 2026 model have been further refined thanks to some updates to its suspension and chassis. Kawasaki continues to use the same high-quality suspension components as before, but with updated settings that provide a smoother ride and improved stability at higher speeds. Up front, the bike is equipped with a 41mm inverted fork, which is fully adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound damping. This gives riders the ability to fine-tune the suspension based on their preferences, whether they're tackling a twisty mountain pass or just commuting in the city. The rear suspension features a horizontal back link setup, which also benefits from adjustability, allowing for a personalized riding experience. On the road, the Z900 feels incredibly nimble. It's a bike that feels light on its feet, making quick direction changes a breeze, and it inspires confidence whether you're taking tight corners or navigating through traffic. The 2026 model is slightly more stable at higher speeds thanks to its refined chassis geometry, but it doesn't lose any of that playful character that riders love. One of the biggest improvements for 2026 is the addition of new technology features that really enhance the riding experience. Kawasaki continues to build on the success of their electronic rider aids, and the Z900 gets some noteworthy updates here. The 2026 Z900 comes equipped with Kawasaki's advanced electronic suite, including a new TFT color display. The display is larger and more responsive than before, making it easier to read in all lighting conditions. It provides all the necessary information, from speed and RPM to gear position and fuel consumption, in a well-organized, easy-to-navigate format. The display also offers customization options, allowing riders to tweak the layout to suit their preferences. Another exciting update is the introduction of a full suite of rider assistance features, including the Kawasaki Traction Control System, KTRC, which can be adjusted to suit different road conditions. Riders can choose between 3 modes, low, medium, and high, depending on how much intervention they want from the system. This gives the rider the flexibility to adapt to varying riding conditions, whether it's wet roads or a dry, twisty mountain pass. The Z900 also comes with multiple power modes, offering the rider the choice of full power, reduced power, or a more conservative mode that's perfect for beginner riders or for managing tricky conditions. Additionally, the bike features a slipper clutch to help prevent rear wheel chatter on downshifts, making it smoother and more manageable for aggressive riders. Braking performance on the Z900 is nothing short of outstanding. Kawasaki has equipped the 2026 model with a dual-disc setup at the front, with 4-piston radial mount calipers, ensuring the bike can stop on a dime when needed. The rear features a single disc, paired with a single piston caliper. These brakes are complemented by the standard ABS, providing added safety in emergency braking situations. During testing, the Z900 proved its ability to deliver consistent, strong braking performance with minimal fade, even after repeated hard stops. Whether you're commuting or pushing the bike to its limits on twisty roads, you can count on the Z900 to deliver a solid, responsive braking experience. The 2026 Z900 isn't just about performance, it's also about providing a comfortable riding experience. Kawasaki has focused on improving ergonomics, ensuring the bike is suitable for a wide range of riders. The seat has been redesigned to provide better comfort, especially on longer rides. It's wider and offers more cushioning, while also maintaining a sleek profile to match the bike's aggressive look. The handlebars are slightly wider than before, which improves leverage and control, especially when leaning into corners. Kawasaki has also adjusted the footpeg positioning slightly, allowing for a more natural riding posture. Overall, the 2026 Z900 strikes a balance between performance and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both short and long rides. Now, let's briefly compare the 2026 Z900 with some of its key competitors in the naked bike segment. The Z900 has always been a strong contender against bikes like the Yamaha MT-09, Suzuki GSX S750, and the Triumph Street Triple. When compared to the Yamaha MT-09, the Z900 feels more stable and planted, particularly at higher speeds. The MT-09 has a more aggressive edge with a torque-heavy engine, but the Z900 offers a more refined and balanced riding experience. Compared to the Suzuki GSX S750, the Z900 is more powerful and features a more modern suite of electronics, including better traction control and power modes. And in comparison with the Triumph Street Triple, the Z900 offers a slightly more affordable price point, while delivering similar levels of performance and features. So, there you have it, the 2026 Kawasaki Z900. It's a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a perfect blend of aggressive styling, impressive performance, and modern technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or beginner, the Z900 delivers an exciting, confidence-inspiring ride that can tackle everything from city streets to winding mountain roads. If you're looking for a bike that can offer a thrilling riding experience without compromising comfort or safety, the 2026 Z900 might just be the perfect choice for you. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us what you think about the new Z900. Have you had the chance to ride it yet, or are you considering it for your next bike? We'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Ride safe, and keep the throttle twisted.